Today I'd like to show you the SmallRig NP-F970 battery charging kit. This product includes everything you'll need to charge two of the NP-F970 batteries at the same time from a single USB-C cable. Now before I get too deep into the review, I always like to start with a quick unboxing just to show you everything that's included with the kit. And then I'll explain what the product provides because I use a lot of these batteries with my Sony camera, with my monitor, and some of my lighting solutions, and it's always nice to have a spare battery with you that's fully charged. So let's get started with the unboxing. When you first pop open the box, you'll find the two NP-F970 batteries. These will fit most of the Sony products out there. They have a standard mounting that slides into the back of your monitor or into your lighting system or even your camera. And I like the fact that they include a cover for the bottom of the battery, because if you put this in your case, you don't want to get any fuzz up in the contacts or any kind of dirt on the contacts. So having that cover really protects the battery. Also included with the kit is a 2-slot charger. Both of these batteries fit in the charger at the same time. And the best part about this entire kit is you can charge it from a standard wall charger, your computer, or even a battery bank using either the USB-C or the micro USB connection on the end. And they also include a cable, which is a USB-A to USB-C. So if you've got a standard charger that has a USB-A port on it, you can plug this end into the charger and plug the USB-C into the brick. Now the nice thing again about this charging base is the fact that they provide both of those interfaces, because you may have an older cable that's micro USB and you can plug it right into the charging base, or if you're using a newer charger that has a USB-C cable, you can plug in that cable to the base as well. So it's nice to give you a choice between the two. And then finally, a full instruction manual is also included that pretty much tells you everything you'll need to know about the batteries, the charger, and how you can use these batteries and keep them nice and safe. All right, so the batteries themselves are pretty powerful. They're 7,800 milliampere hours, which is pretty standard for a battery of this size. And that's plenty of power to keep your lights running for a long time, or your camera running for a while, or even a monitor. If you're using a field monitor, these are great for that as well. And I like the kit includes two of these because I'm using one, I can be charging the other. When this one is run down, I'll pop it out of the camera, pop the new one in the camera, and put this back on the charger. Again, the charger itself has a bunch of protections built in as well, because you're charging lithium polymer batteries, so you want to make sure the charger is aware of the charge for each of the batteries. It's looking for things like over voltage, over current, over temperature, so it can protect your batteries. And the charger has that intelligence built in. The final thing I'll mention about the charger is this really nice LCD display at the top, which shows you the current charge of both batteries as well as the charging status as it's being charged. So you have a lot of good information about the current status of the batteries and how close they are to being full. So if you're using these NP-F970 batteries with any of your equipment, I really think this SmallRig product is a pretty nice little kit that gives you two batteries and a charger and a cable if you need it to keep these batteries fully charged so you can operate your equipment when you're out in the field. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you found value in this review.